Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to change draft order on NFL Fantasy. So we're currently on fantasy.nfl.com and we're signed in. As you might have noticed from what we can see, it's obvious that we're in a league that we joined. In order to change your draft order, you'll need to do this in a league that you created. To do this, we're going to go over to the top right corner and click on the drop down, and then go ahead and click on the league that we created. And now that we're here, we're going to go over to Manage, click on Manage tab right here. And here you can see that under Manage, you have some options such as League Management, Roster Management, and Draft Management. Now this is where you get to change your draft order on NFL Fantasy. You have some options right here. So we're going to click on Edit Draft Order. And now that we're here, we have two options. You can decide to click on the randomize button right here where it says click to randomize and save your custom draft order. Or you can use the drag option to drag teams to change their location. For example, for pick 1, you have team 6. For pick 2, you have team 10. If we want to change the order of team 6, we can just simply click on team 6 and drag it down to this area right here. And now you can see that team 6 is currently going to pick at number 5 and team 10 is currently pick 1. If you want to have team 5 to be the first pick, you can click on it, drag it to the top and let it go. There you have team 5. And team 10 is currently at number 2, while team 5, which was down here, is currently at the top. After you've done this, you can scroll down and click on submit to complete the process. By doing this, you would have changed your draft order on NFL Fantasy. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.